Nextimage 6, Oversized Scanning. For the IQ FLEX only, measure the length and the width of the media to scan. Open the IQ FLEX and insert the media until the corner of the document is in the top corner of the scanner. Close the lid, making sure the document doesn't move. Go to Nextimage and manually insert the dimensions. The width must be greater than the length for oversized to work. Press Scan. The wizard will now start. Press Start Scan. The scanner will scan the first half of the document. When indicated, open the lid to 30 degrees and slide the media into the second position. Close the lid. Click Start Scan again, and it will scan the second half and merge the two scans together to create the final image.